Good evening. My name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum, analyzing what we should expect as far as market direction based upon the candlestick signals and patterns in the indexes, as well as identifying very high profit, high probability trade setups. As we saw today, the market pulled back, but notice what it did. It did a doji right close to the T-line. This is on the Dow. Told us that the pullback wasn't very decisive. It's trading just below the T-line, whereas the NASDAQ, after the bullish engulfing signal telling us the downtrend had ended, is still trading up above the T-line. That tells us there's no major change going on in this market. The slow sideways uptrend will still be in progress. That creates an advantage for knowing what investor sentiment is doing as far as creating patterns. Look at the fry pan bottom breakout that occurred in our recommendation on LVGO a couple days ago. You can see where the resistance level was. You can see the fry pan bottom. Now this becomes an extremely high probability trade setup. Not only did it break out, but notice today it did a doji sandwich, further confirming the breakout. This allows us to put high profit option trade strategies in place. Yesterday we were buying calls. Now that it has confirmed that we're probably breaking out with much greater probabilities, now we can start putting on spreads that will enhance this price move with the anticipation that this price move will be at least the same magnitude as this price move right here. Same scenario on our recommendation on NVAX. You can see the fry pan bottom trajectory. You can see where it broke out with a best friend signal through this wedge, also creating this upward trajectory. And then it did a doji sandwich. We were adding today to our call positions because what do we expect coming after a doji sandwich? More upside. What do we expect coming out of a fry pan bottom? More upside. Same scenario on our recommendation on MGNX. The benefit we have of knowing what a pattern looks like and what the results are, strong price moves, and the enhancement of confirmation that when we see a left-right combo followed by a doji sandwich, more upside expectation, which further enhances the fry pan bottom potential strong price move. This is not rocket science. This is basically using the information that the Japanese rice traders have illustrated to us for hundreds of years of how human nature reacts. We are making huge profits on the calls in YY, not because we're any great stock pickers, because we could see that this doji sandwich fry pan bottom breakout is producing wave 3. So, I don't know what that was. Trading lethargically today, not lady. So we should expect some more sideways in this market, which is going to continue to allow the fry pan bottoms and the J-hook patterns to perform well. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat room. Also, I need to mention, Saturday, we will be doing a comprehensive training on not only identifying the big breakout patterns, but how to put strategies, option strategies on those positions to maximize your profitability at the same time reducing or minimizing your risk. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.